You think the stock market is a game? It's not. It's a machine, and to plug into that machine, you need a port. Look at the screen. You need the golden gate, the brokerage, to enter the arena. You need to prove your identity because the government watches everything. And you need to link your digital wallet. A brokerage is not a casino. It is the pipe that connects your cash to the engine of capitalism. Here is where the amateurs lose. They pick an app because it has colorful buttons. They ignore the shark fin in the water, hidden fees and bad spreads that bleed your account dry. They fall for gamification. Confetti when you trade, that is a psychological trick to make you gamble. And they get caught in handcuffs, unable to move their money out. Do not be a victim of a pretty interface. Lesson 1. Safety. Your broker holds your life savings. You need the blue shield of SIPC insurance. If the broker goes bankrupt, you need to know you are covered. You need custody, proof that you own the shares, not them. We want transparency. We want boring. Boring is safe. Safe is profitable. Lesson 2. The vessel. You have two choices. The briefcase, a cash account, you trade with money you actually have, or the dynamite stick, margin. This is debt. This is leverage. Do not touch the dynamite until you have survived the market for a year. Stick to cash, or look at the hourglass and open an IRA for the tax breaks, but do not gamble with debt. Lesson 3. The order. How you buy matters. Never use a lightning bolt market order unless you hate money. You pay whatever price they give you. Use the sniper scope. Use a limit order. You tell the market, I will buy at this price and not a penny more. And always know where your stop sign is. If you don't have an exit plan, you are liquidity for someone else. Let's review the protocol. 1. Select a bank building, not a gaming app. 2. Turn the switch off on margin. 3. Use the target, limit orders only. Control your entry, control your risk. Setting this up wrong costs you thousands in fees over a lifetime. I've compiled the Brokerage Mastery Pack. It includes the comparison sheet to find the lowest fees, the setup checklist, and the fee calculator to see the true cost of trading. It's in the safe. Link in the description. If you are funded and ready, click like. It signals the algorithm. Subscribe to secure your position. Comment account open below if you are ready to deploy capital. The account is open. The cash is sitting there. Now, do not blow it trying to pick a lucky winner. Do not look for the needle in the haystack. Buy the whole haystack. In the next video, we cover the only strategy that beats the professionals, index funds. Click here, secure the bag.